Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, it's likely because you're dealing with a P0339 code, which means your vehicle is having an issue with the crankshaft position sensor circuit. In today's video, we're going to break down what this code means, what causes it, and how to fix it. So, let's get into it. So, what exactly does P0339 mean? This code stands for Crankshaft Position Sensor Circuit Intermittent. Essentially, the sensor that monitors the position and speed of your crankshaft is either not sending consistent signals to the engine control module ECM or has lost connection altogether. Before we start swapping parts, let's confirm that the P0339 code is accurate by scanning the vehicle system. I'm using my OBD scanner to pull the diagnostic codes. Faulty or damaged crankshaft position sensors, wiring issues, failed ECM, timing, belt, chain problems, and mechanical issues such as worn or damaged crankshafts. Check engine light is on. Engine stalls or hesitates. Engine bucks or stumbles at road speed. Hard starting or no start. Engine misfire, rough running. A multimeter, OBD to scanner, socket set. A replacement crankshaft position sensor if needed. And don't forget safety gear, like gloves and goggles. First, we need to locate the crankshaft position sensor. It's usually near the bottom of the engine, close to the crankshaft pulley. Check your vehicle's repair manual if you're having trouble before replacing anything. Always check the sensor's wiring and connector, look for any loose, damaged, or corroded wires, and make sure the connector is seated properly. If you find any visible damage, you may just need to repair or replace the wiring. You will finding it. Now, let's check the sensor. Using your multimeter, test the resistance between the sensor terminals. A functioning sensor typically reads between 200 to 900 ohms. If your reading is outside this range, the sensor may be faulty. Once the new sensor is installed, clear the P0339 code using your OBD scanner. Now, start the car and check if the engine runs smoothly. Take it for a test drive to ensure the problem is completely fixed. And there you have it. That's how you diagnose and fix a P0339 code. Remember to always double-check your work and consult your vehicle's manual for specific details. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY car repair tips. Thanks for watching.